Okay, so this is the solution to question 9 on your winter exam. So describe fully the single transformation which would move shape P to shape Q. So you're going to need tracing paper for this. Take your tracing paper and draw shape P. I would always try the origin first, so if you put your pencil at 0 and then turn your sheet around, so there's 90 degrees clockwise and there's 180 degrees clockwise. So to get from P to Q, your transformation is going to be a rotation, so you're moving your shape 180 degrees clockwise. So that's going to be your answer for part A. Rotation 180 degrees clockwise about the origin 0, 0. So your next question, part B, translate shape P by 2 units to the right and 5 units down. Label the image T. So translation is just moving your shape. So if you pick one point in the shape P, so we'll go for this one, and move that point 2 to the right, so 1, 2 to the right and 5 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That point is now going to be there. Then if we pick the next point on shape P, say this one, 2 to the right, 1, 2, and then 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That point is going to be there. Next one here, so 2 to the right, 1, 2, 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our last one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw in your shape. And label the image T. So that's that one done, 1 mark. Part C, describe fully the single transformation which would move shape T back to shape P. So it's going to be a translation, so we're going to move the shape. And if we pick one point, so how do I get from here to here? I'm going to move 1, 2 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So translation, 2 left, 5 up. And if you want to pick another point just to check that you're right, so say this one, how do I get from here to here? I'm going to move 1, 2 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So that works. So translation of 2 left, 5 up, or you can write it in vector formation, so that's 2 to the left, minus 2, and 5 up. So either of those answers would be fine. So that's your past paper question solution for question 9. Next question that I want to look at is just another worked example to take you through. So if you look at part A, reflect shape P in the line x equals 1, label the new shape A. So we need to find the line x equals 1 first. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and the line x equals 1 is going to be here. And I would just label that x equals 1. Reflect shape P in this line. So if I pick this point, 1, 2 away from the line, so it's going to be 2 away from the line on this side. Next one, 1, 2, 3 away from our line, 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our last point, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's our shape reflected. So just draw that on. Label the new shape A. that's the first one done. Part B, translate, so that just means move shape P by the vector 5 minus 6. So 5 is positive, so that means we're going to go 5 right. 6 is negative, so 6 down. And we're translating or moving shape P. So pick one point in shape P, say this one, move it 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point has moved from here to here. Next point we could pick is this one, so 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point has now moved to there. And we could just nearly go ahead and draw it. So if this point's here, this point is going to be there. This point, so it's 2 squares away from here, 1, 2. And this one will be there. Or if you find that too difficult or too confusing, just pick each point and move them 5 right and 6 down. Just take one point at a time. So either way would be fine. And you should know by the look of it whether it's right or not. And just draw those on. And label the new shape B. That's part B done. Part C, rotate. So for rotations you're going to need your tracing paper. Shape P by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So 90 degrees is one turn. Anti-clockwise. Centre 0. So our pencil is going to go at 0. Or the origin. So take your tracing paper. Draw shape P. Always use a pencil for these questions as well. And that's shape P. Rotate shape P 90 degrees, so one turn anti-clockwise, centre 0. So put your pencil at 0 for the origin. And we're going to move shape P 90 degrees or one turn anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise is going this direction. So one turn takes us to there. Label the new shape C. So just slightly lift your tracing paper and draw on shape C. So one point's going to be there, one point's going to be there, one's there, one's there, and there we go. Take your pencil, join up your points. Back to your question, label the new shape C. Okay, so on the next slide you're going to try a past paper question for yourself.